Imagine walking through a dark forest at night. Everything is silent until you hear tiny screeching sounds above your head. You look up, and hundreds of creatures are hanging from the ceiling of a cave completely upside down. Not dead, not trapped, sleeping. Bats have been doing this for millions of years, and the reason is far stranger than most people realize. Because bats don't sleep upside down just for comfort, their entire bodies were designed around it. Most animals lie down to sleep. Birds sit in nests. Humans sleep on beds, but bats are different. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down because their bodies make taking off from the ground extremely difficult. Unlike birds, bats usually can't generate enough lift by jumping upward from flat ground. Their wings are built more for gliding and fast aerial movement, not powerful takeoffs. So instead of starting from the ground, bats simply let gravity do the work. By hanging upside down, they can release their grip, fall instantly, spread their wings, and begin flying within seconds. But this creates another question. How do bats hang for hours without falling? The answer is hidden inside their legs and claws. Bats have a special locking tendon system in their feet. When they relax their bodies while hanging, gravity automatically pulls their tendons tighter, locking their claws around branches or cave ceilings, which means bats don't actually waste energy holding on. In fact, a dead bat can sometimes remain hanging upside down because the claws stay naturally locked. Nature literally designed them to hang effortlessly. Bats also prefer dark caves for survival reasons. Darkness protects them from predators like hawks and owls. Caves also stay cool and stable in temperature, helping bats conserve energy during sleep. Some caves contain thousands, even millions of bats packed together, and strangely enough, sleeping in giant colonies actually helps them survive. The group creates warmth, protection, and safer conditions during cold weather. To humans, caves may feel terrifying, but to bats, they're one of the safest places on Earth. For years, bats have been treated like scary creatures from horror movies, but in reality, most bats are harmless and incredibly important to nature. Many bats eat huge amounts of insects every single night, including mosquitoes and crop-destroying pests. Some bats pollinate flowers and spread seeds across forests. Without bats, entire ecosystems could begin collapsing. In some places, farmers actually rely on bats to naturally control insect populations, which means while bats may look creepy in the darkness, they quietly help the planet every night. So why do bats sleep upside down? Because everything about their bodies, their wings, claws, bones, and survival instincts evolved around one purpose: fast escape. Hanging upside down allows bats to stay hidden, conserve energy, and launch into flight almost instantly when danger appears. What looks strange to us is actually one of nature's smartest survival designs, which means the next time you see a bat hanging in darkness, you're looking at millions of years of evolution perfectly engineered for the night. Comment the name of an animal you want Dr. Geo to talk about next, and subscribe for more hidden secrets from the animal kingdom.